We are Noriko and Yuko of Japanese Cooking 101. In this series, we eat, shop, and cook food we like in Kyoto, Japan. It could be something classic or something new. In each episode, we go out to have a local dish, come up with our own recipe, and shop for ingredients. Then we show you how to make the dish at home. Today, we try butter chicken. We go to Kamaru, a spice curry specialty restaurant in Kyoto. Kamaru just had its 10th anniversary, so that explains how popular this type of curry dishes are. You may know by now that curry is one of the most popular dishes in Japan. A typical Japanese curry is a thick gravy-like sauce with meat and vegetable over rice. But a new category of curry, so-called spice curry, has also become mainstream over the past decade. And the most popular dish of all is butter chicken. It's an authentic Indian dish that's become popular all over the world, and Japan is no exception. Rich, creamy, and mildly spicy, it's so tasty. No wonder people here in Japan loves this dish. We are headed to our supermarket to get ingredients to make the butter chicken at home. We need heavy cream, butter, and lots of spices, and some basic ingredients. We want to make it easy and not too complicated. It may not be as authentic, but that's okay. These are the ingredients. Other than spices, these are pretty basic you can buy anywhere. For a list of ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's start cooking. Cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. We are using boneless chicken thighs. Chicken in Japan is sold almost always with the skin on, unlike the chicken found in the US. Chicken with the skin is more flavorful anyway. You can also use bone-in chicken for this dish, which will make it even more flavorful. Now we are going to marinate the chicken. Add lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon, or you can use lemon juice in a bottle. Some salt, plain Greek yogurt, the one with full fat is better, and some spices, and mix. We are using 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, cumin, garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Add more or less spices to your liking, of course. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Next, we are going to start making the sauce. Cut a couple of cloves of fresh garlic finely, and peel and cut fresh ginger finely as well. And dice onion. These become the base of the flavorful sauce. Heat a pot at medium heat and add the oil. Any neutral flavored oil will do here. Add the butter and melt it in the oil. Add the minced garlic and ginger and stir. It starts to smell really good at this point. Then add the chopped onion. Stir and cook the onion until lightly brown for 5 to 10 minutes. Add 1 can of stewed tomato, or a can of diced tomato is fine, and the chicken broth, and stir. Bring the sauce to a boil for a few minutes uncovered. We want to reduce the sauce by cooking, so we don't want to close the lid when making this dish. Add the chicken with the marinade. Make sure to add all of the marinade with the spices. Lower the heat to medium-low and cook uncovered for 30 minutes. And finally, add the heavy cream and stir. Continue to simmer uncovered for 10 more minutes. Make sure to taste the sauce and add some salt if needed. Add more spices if you need after tasting. Serve with steamed rice and garnish with cilantro or chives. It's creamy but not greasy and spicy but not too hot. We hope you try this simple but tasty butter chicken.
美味しい。美味しいね。